In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request money on Wise. If you need to ask someone to send you money through Wise, the process is straightforward and only takes a few moments once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the full flow from the Wise homepage to sending the request, so you can do it confidently and avoid any confusion along the way. To begin, go to the Wise homepage and make sure you are signed into your account. Starting from the home screen is helpful because it gives you access to the main dashboard where all of Wise's core features are organized. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Request. Click on Request to open the Money Request tools. This is the section designed specifically for asking someone else to pay you, rather than sending money yourself. After that, choose Request a Payment. This will take you into the payment request flow. On the next screen, click Start. This launches the setup process and moves you into the details of the request. From here, Wise will guide you step by step. Next, select who you are requesting money from. Take a moment here to choose the correct person or type of recipient, depending on what Wise shows on your screen. This step is important because it helps make sure the request is directed properly and that the payment process is as smooth as possible for both sides. After selecting the recipient, enter the amount you want to request. Be careful to type the correct amount before continuing. It's a good idea to quickly review the currency and total shown on the screen, especially if you work with different currencies or international payments. Accuracy here can save time later and prevent you from needing to send a corrected request. Once everything looks right, click Send Request. That's the final step. Wise will then send your payment request so the other person can review it and complete the payment. And that's all it takes to request money on Wise. The process is simple. Start from the home page, open the request feature, choose Request a Payment, click Start, select who you're requesting from, enter the amount, and send the request. If you're using this feature for the first time, just move slowly and double check the details on each screen before submitting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.